Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about Palantir certification. So basically if you are looking for the Palantir certification, so we do provide the complete guide on the how you can take the Palantir certification. And especially for the data engineer certification helps, we are providing how to get the coupon code for the exam and how you'll be practicing and all things. So even before that, let me introduce myself. So this is Vikas Yadav. So total IT experience I do have almost 8 years, and this is the WhatsApp number for mine, so you can ping me. We'll be discussing in detail on this topic basically, so that you can clear the exam. So basically I have provided to a lot of people's to get the certified into the Palantir Foundry. So if you are looking for the certification, so basically I do provide the complete guidance on that till the clear the exam, certification exam basically. So obviously for the taking the Palantir Foundry certifications, you should have the coupon code. So how to generate that and how to get that, we will be just guide through on each aspect basically. So even though if you're looking for the Palantir training, so I do provide the trainings as well. So every steps we are going to provide to you, so that you can from scratch start and you can get the certified into Palantir Foundry. So thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in next video. Thank you. Bye. Take care.